What's up guys, Crossroads Carry here. Just picked up the PSA Micro Dagger from my FFL. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. So, I got the bundle that had the 4 extra magazines, so there they are. Alright, nice PSA case. It's padded, not too shabby. Let's take a look. What do we got? We have our Palmetto State Armory lock, 2 PSA stickers, like some sort of product manual, and then the stuff for the optic. And here we got 1 mag, so we got 5 mags with it. And let's take a look at our dagger. Looks pretty good. See how the grip feels. Ooh, I like the grip. Let me pull this out. Let's see here. Do our mags drop free? They do indeed. Load in fairly easy. Let's check that trigger pull. A little bit of take up, pretty crisp wall, and it just breaks. But it racks a little rough, like gritty. I'm assuming that that'll work itself out in time. I'll let you guys know. It doesn't rack the smoothest, I am not gonna lie. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked. The grip actually feels a lot better than my Hellcat Pro, and that's one of the reasons why I decided to go ahead and get the PSA Micro Dagger. Was because I actually love my Hellcat Pro, but the grip feels like you're shooting a 1x2. It doesn't feel good to me, so I'm gonna try the Micro Dagger out for a while. I'm gonna test it and make sure it's reliable. I'm going to throw an optic on it, see how it does as far as accuracy, and then if all that goes well, I'll pop these white dot sights off and throw a set of night sights on it, and then I'll start carrying it. Hang tight, we'll throw in some range footage. Mag came out. Alright, so I've had twice now. It seems like on the first shot with these mags, where I'll fire 1 round and then the mag will kind of pop out and I'll have to put it back in, and then it runs the rest of the mag just fine. It's happened to me twice, so we're just going to keep filming and kind of see how it goes. Maybe I'm just, maybe I accidentally hit the mag release. It is kind of big on this gun.